This is a new AI app. In this app, you can talk with any AI model that you want, like ChatGPT 5, ChatGPT 4, and ChatGPT 3 for free. Also, there is lot of option. So this is the app interface. To select any AI model, you have to click on this icon. After clicking the icon, you will see that there is lot of option of AI. There is too many AI model available in there. You can see Gemini 2.5 Pro, GTP 5, GTP 3, GTP 4, DeepSeek, Grok, and many more for free. Also, if you want to create any web development project, then select the web dev. You can see the list of what is able to create a web development project more precisely. Also, if you want to create some image, then click the image. You will see that there is Gemini 2.5, also called Nano Banana for free, also available in here. Imagen 4.0 is also available. Fluxia is available. Liquid Origin also available. Fluxia is available. GPT Image 1 is available. Also, you can see that there is too many image generation model is available here. Also, if you need to research or search online something, then you can select the search option and you can see the best model out of there, what is more precise and more powerful in searching. That's are listed in here. You can select any model and start searching online. So if you want to generate some image, then select the image option and you have seen the all available image generation model is here. Just select your favorite one. After selecting, you can see that there is add model option here. So if you click the option, you will find that the image generation model selecting option is open. From there, you can select another image generation model. So you can see we select two image generation models, Gemini 2.5 and GPT-1 at the same time. So if you now give any image generation prompt, then the two AI model will give you the image at the same time. So let's see. I ask for a cat, so it will generate cat image. Gemini 2.5 or GPT-1. You can see Gemini 2.5 is give me the image already, and GPT-1 image is working. Now you can see there is two images same time. Now if you want to download any image, just click download option. You can see the file start downloading and download it completely for free. You can see the quality of the image. You will get high quality image for free. So that's how you can generate unlimited image from the image model. Also, you can talk with any AI model for free. Just select if you want to chat with two AI model at the same time. Select two AI model, or if you want to chat with just one AI model, then select one and start talking. So there is unlimited option of using the AI model. Also, you will find the old AI model is here also available for free, and GPT-4 is also available here for text messaging. Also, GPT-3 is also available. You can also chat directly with ChatGPT 5 for free. So this is the app. This app download link in the video description below. You can check it out and download this app from the video description link. Also, this app link is pinned in the pinned comment. So check it out and download this app and enjoy. This is 100% legal. You will get free and unlimited access of the latest paid and free AI model for free. So check it out. If you have any problem, then please contact me in the comment box below. I will answer your all queries. So that's it. Thank you.